What was that? What was that? All right.
This is my daughter. Her name's Everly. She's gonna show you her welds, and you better be nice, or else. They being nice to you? Good.
It's a pretty nice weld she did, wasn't it? Wasn't it?
They being nice to you? Good. She's the one.